Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Daily English.
Seriously? But how could he do that? He's crazy. No, I'm in my room. Are you kidding? Morning, Robert. Your mom says breakfast is served on the table. Are you coming? What? That's not what I said. You can't tell her that. You'll be lying. What? Robert, I'm talking to you. Breakfast is ready. Come downstairs. Oh, hi, Dad. All right, I'll be there in a minute. Thank you. Okay, son, we'll be waiting for you. Your mom cooked delicious pancakes. What? No, I'm gonna call Patricia to tell her we are not going to her party. Because I prefer to stay here at home, playing online games. It will be fun. Computer? No, nowadays a computer is not necessary. We have a smartphone. Yeah, Dad bought this last generation smartphone for me. It has everything. Video call? Sure. Wait a minute. I will call Sebastian and Ronald to chat. Nah, they must be playing or sleeping now. Let's have a video call to decide what to play tonight. Robert, we're waiting for you. Why haven't you come down to have breakfast yet?
Hi guys, welcome
I'm
to
not
my
hungry,
YouTube
Dad.
channel Daily English.
I'm okay,
Please
thank you.
like,
I will
share,
eat
and
something
comment
later.
my video.
As I was telling you. What? How come you're not hungry? You haven't eaten anything. Yeah, I know that, but seriously, I'm not hungry now. I'll have breakfast later. No, you won't. You're going to have breakfast right now. You get it? Dad, please, I'm busy now. I'm talking to my friends from school. I don't care what you're doing now. You have to eat your breakfast. So you better stop using that cell phone and have breakfast, or I'll take that cell phone from you. My phone? No. Please. Okay, I'm going now. I'm already hungry. Alright, I'll give you 1 minute. If you're not downstairs in 1 minute, you lose your cell phone. Sure, okay. What? No, it's my dad. He wants me to have breakfast now. You're so funny. About the video call, it will have to be later. Yeah, my dad is usually like that. Hey, did you see Linda yesterday? She was... Robert, come here right now. Or you want me to go to your room again? I'm going, Dad. All right. I have to go downstairs for a while. What? No. Of course not. We can keep talking. Don't worry. Don't go offline. Oh my god. Linda is calling me. What am I gonna do? Hang on a sec. No, I can't answer her call right now, but I will text her by WhatsApp. Yeah, see you later. Oh, hi Linda. Oh my god. My dad. If I don't go downstairs, I couldn't chat with Linda. Finally, you're here. What are you doing? Robert, stop using that phone now. I'm sorry, Dad. I can't do that. This is something very important. Something important? What can be something more important than having breakfast? Oh, a homework. I'm doing an important science homework. A science homework? But you can do that homework later, after breakfast. Oh, I wish that, but that teacher is too strict. She gets angry if we don't do it. That's why I have to finish with Dad as soon as possible. Do you understand? No, I don't. I've heard you talking with your friends, not doing homework. Oh, that's because it's a group work. We all have to write a part of the homework. You are not even looking at me, Robert. You spend all day using that cell phone. In the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evenings. All day, every day. Whenever your mom or I want to talk to you, you're busy on the phone, doing, I don't know. Homework, Dad, doing homework. You don't know much about this because it's not from your generation. Nowadays, we use the cell phone for everything. But you used to do your homework on the computer. What happened? Computer? That's not necessary, Dad. We can use the smartphone as a computer. In fact, this is better than using a computer. It's smaller and you can take it everywhere. Okay, maybe you're right, but I don't believe you. You're not doing your homework. What are you doing? Stop using that cell phone and look at me while I'm talking to you. Dad, please. Okay. I'm not doing my homework. I lied. But this is even more important than my homework. I'm talking to Linda. Linda? Who is Linda? I don't know any Linda. Who is she? Oh, Linda is the most beautiful girl in the school. She's so intelligent and pretty. She never talks to anyone and she texted me. Isn't that amazing? I'm so happy. Maybe that Linda is beautiful, but I am your father and you will look at me while I'm talking. You are disrespecting me, and I will not let that happen. So give me that cell phone now. No. Wait a minute. She's calling me. Oh my God. Hello? Linda? Yeah, it's me, Robert. What a surprise. I can't believe it. What? No, I'm not busy now. I was about to have breakfast, but... What? You're so funny. Don't tell me you... Sorry, wait a second. Dad, I need some privacy, please. If you can leave me alone. Thank you. What? No, sorry. I was talking to my dad. No. Seriously. Dad, what are you doing? Give me my cell phone back, please. I need it now. No, I'm not giving you anything. Now you will go to your room without this cell phone. And you won't have breakfast either. Now go to your room. You're grounded. But Dad, this is not fair. I'm not doing anything wrong. I'm just talking on the phone. That's the problem. You think you're doing nothing wrong. You have to think about it. Now go upstairs, and you won't leave that room until you've learned your lesson. He has to learn. He can't ignore me just like that. I am his father. Or maybe I was too hard on him? Yeah, probably. Poor my son. He hasn't even had breakfast. I'll talk to him. Son, I want to apologize. Maybe I was too hard on you and you didn't deserve to. Seriously, are you now using the tablet? Oh my God.
Thanks for watching my video and join us. Please like, share and comment my video. Thank you.